Hey everyone, and welcome into today's video. I'm going to be discussing NIO in today's video topic because guys, we have been buying the dip on NIO since it did pull back to that $30 range just a few weeks ago, and today guys we saw an astronomical push and NIO has gone up almost 10% on the day, and we are now sitting up near that $50 peak, which is absolutely incredible. So I just want to say a huge shout out and congratulations to anyone that has been tuning into this channel since we started at the beginning of the year, because this is one of the most popular stocks talked about on YouTube, and again I do cover it as one of the main channel favorites on my channel. I absolutely love and adore NIO, and they have done an incredible job in the last 12 months with their operating revenues and how they have been growing and expanding every single month with their deliveries, despite the fact that we did have a global EV semiconductor chip shortage. Now guys, NIO is based in China and they are expanding later this year into Norway, as we know, and we did have some brand new news that did come out on NIO. Now before I go into depth on any of that news, I would love it if you could just go down there and smash that like button for me, and also don't forget to hit that big red subscribe button. And welcome to this family of investors. My name is Jason. Make sure that you tune in for all of my future videos on NIO if you are someone that wants to learn more about this company, because again it is a channel favorite of ours. And if you would like access to my buy and sell alerts, I will leave a link below to the private Patreon, because we have been absolutely killing the game recently, and even two of the plays that we put out today are now sitting up about 5% on the day. So the news that has come out today guys, that is that NIO has jumped up on arrival of its news that they have a NIO Power Day event next month, and it is the company's name for its suite of vehicle recharging products and services. Now this is why NIO has jumped up today, and we are expecting a showboat of NIO's products, and again they are going to be showing off their forever growing fast network of battery swap stations and related services, including home chargers and mobile charging cars that can assist stranded NIO owners. Now the event will commence the 3rd anniversary of NIO's power launch, and they are saying that they are making their products autonomous, and also they are unveiling the excitement because of the fact that they have their new improved battery swap stations, and we might see some more updates on the front. So this is some very exciting news for NIO, and again we can start to see that ramp up of deliveries now that JAC has in fact shifted with a second manufacturing facility for NIO. We are going to start to see a ramp up of production, hopefully of about 20,000 versus the 10,000 that we have been delivering every single month. So if we take ourselves back to the beginning of this year guys, we can see just how much work NIO has done. They are slowly expanding to become one of the leaders of electrical vehicles in China, and like I said, they have that global expansion. And if you think of electrical vehicles guys, they are the future. Right now we only are between 2 to 4% capacity globally, and by the years of 2050 all cars will be electric. So we can see just how much this company is set to grow, and that is why I absolutely love getting these shares guys on such a cheap premium right now, because they did come back down all the way to that $30 mark just a few weeks ago. Now this is why I continue to preach on my channel that this was a fantastic buy the dip opportunity, and again I did alert all of our patrons, and so a huge congratulations like I said to anyone that caught this. So what is next in store for NIO? Well, my bullish price target on $65 to $75 over the next year guys still remains for our NIO share price, so I am expecting us to push up towards the later half of the year, and then again moving into March time next year we can start to see that push up once April delivery numbers does come out, because that way we will then have those new numbers of their new vehicle, the ET7, which is coming out later on at January in 2022. And again, this is going to be a fantastic opportunity. If we did in fact buy the dip on NIO, this is going to be over a doubling in our money since obviously getting in at those prices. Now if you are someone that is new to NIO and you are wondering what to do, whether you should buy, sell or hold, I would be personally, in my opinion, not financial advice because I'm not your financial advisor, I would be holding onto my position because this play is set to grow very, very rapidly right now. The potential for this company is absolutely enormous, and it is very clear that China do want a local winner inside China. So that is why NIO is going to do very well in the competition of their autonomous network against companies such as Tesla, who are currently the global leader when it does come to electrical vehicle sales. Now we can see that we are overstretched on the RSI, so I do expect us to bounce around this area of support and resistance right now, which will leave us between about that $47 and $50 price range. Now once we do have that new news out for their battery power day, we can maybe expect to see a further surge up to around that $52 to $53 range. But this is why, guys, I have been saying not to paper hand and obviously fold out of those positions over the last few months. There will always be peaks and troughs in the market, but getting your favorite stocks on sale once we do have any selling off in the market, that is when you are going to make your money, load your boats, and then once we do have that shift up in innovation, that is when again you can start to capitalize. And if you are happy to take profits, there is nothing wrong with selling out to take a quick bang for your buck. So right now, guys, my price target, as I said, is between $65 and $70 for NIO over the next 12 months as we start to see a ramp up with their new vehicle delivery numbers out in 2022, and we do then have that global expansion. Again, this is going to be a company that is set to dominate in the electrical vehicle industry, and again, they have so many products. Not only this, but they have lifestyle products, home products, and even food. So I loved having this video for you guys today. I hope that you did learn something new about NIO, and again why we have in fact been buying up that dip. I hope that you guys have a fantastic day out there, and I look forward to seeing you guys back on my channel soon for some more content on investing. Make sure if you did get this far to go down there once again and smash that like button for me, and also don't forget to hit that big red subscribe button, and welcome to this family of investors. My name is Jason, and I will see you guys in my next video. Ciao.